Good have to suffer for the blood clot body and me. I don't want nobody call my phone. I don't want nobody look for me. I'm my own big woman. I'm 36. I'm not last. Gonna breeze me and breeze my phone. Cause I don't want this one. Remember, you know, when everybody did I say I'm mad, I'm this, I'm that, I only God me see, not even my mama, my papa, I God heal me. I'm alone, I owe something right now, I don't owe nothing. So I don't want nobody to call my phone like I own something. I God alone, I owe, yeah. Oh, I mean, I like people, I trick on you know. I talk less, I use this. And I'm a two-sided brain I work now, the black gone. The black one I did put on the left side, it gone. My third eye open my back. Watch me on a blood clot. Think my like you know? I'm a good man. Siva, big up yourself, my brother. Know yourself. Your sister go buy you a jelly bed. Cause that way you get a fuck with. Yeah. Oh, Moonie to get bumbo clot then. And you get X1 dimmer. Moonie do 13 years. Hey, I get my dark in a youth. I want to you. Me I go buy you your bumbo clot Benz. Moonie do bumbo clot 13 years but him I get Benz. I want to see him to slap a back clean and head boy him get Benz. Pussy hole. Boy him get bumbo clot Benz. Trying to make my buck him on the road too. Informer pussy hole Moonie. What do you when them put out a video about me and thief money out of the G bag? After me I try all the bumbo hole film not drop off a stage. Yo, batty boy Moonie. Send the video to the man and tell the man about watch ya. My little and them can own bumbo clock money. A bank all my money for me. I hardly spend. Here and them something. Them I buy them bumbo clock something. They bank all my money. And me I invest in my career right now. I want to know. Me no wear wig and eyelash and them something unless me I do video shoot, photo shoot, or me I go interview. Otherwise from that, me look like a mad homeless blood clot girl and I so me love it. Me no frightened for vanity. So you can't use no bling and trick me. Me another idiot country girl from Tavern. When it come on me yard, come sit down on my table and do what she do. And as she left me yard, she go meet world boss. Cause she did a fuck blood clot carry well live round at the back of father row me yard. And then she start fuck Shawn Storm and milk box her down. And then Addy start fuck her. And the whole Gaza fuck ya. One man from the Gaza fuck me. And I the boss. Cause I that me the boss. Me not the basket. You cannot even construct a proper interview. This know your talk. You do a song with Dexter, big song. Them ask you, how come you come up with that song? You know Mama and Papa days. And the song name High School Love. Go back a bumbo clot school girl.